Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin access and a live Ethernet cable. That ensures changes take effect. Once ready, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, and click More Network Adapter options to reach network connections. If you prefer, press Win+X and choose Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, and locate the Ethernet device. Make sure you note the exact adapter name so you don't change Wi-Fi settings by mistake, because you'll be changing driver properties next. Once on the adapter properties, click Configure and switch to the Advanced tab to edit hardware features. Find the property named Speed and Duplex, Link Speed, or Media Type. Then select a specific value like 100 Mbps Full Duplex or 1 Gbps Full Duplex instead of auto negotiation when compatibility is needed. Also disable energy-efficient Ethernet or green Ethernet if you experience drops, because those power-saving modes can reduce link stability. You finish by restarting the adapter or the PC, then verify the negotiated speed in the Adapter Status or Task Manager Performance tab to confirm the change. If the new options weren't available or didn't stick, update the NIC driver from Device Manager or roll back to a previous driver, because driver issues often hide settings. Troubleshooting tip: if the link won't reach the chosen speed, swap the Ethernet cable or test another switch port. Bad cables or switch ports are the most common causes of persistent lower speeds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.